Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a green dot card. A green dot card is a prepaid debit card that allows you to make purchases, pay bills, and manage your finances. To get started, first you need to activate your card by calling the phone number provided or by visiting the green dot website. You will need to provide your card number, expiration date, and security code to complete the activation process. Once your card is activated, you can load funds onto it by direct deposit, using a bank transfer, or by adding cash at a retail location. You can check your balance by logging into your account online, using the mobile app, or by calling the customer service number. To make a purchase, simply swipe your card or enter the card number online, and the amount will be deducted from your available balance. You can also use your card to pay bills, such as rent or utilities, by setting up a payment online or over the phone. When using your green dot card, it is essential to keep track of your balance to avoid overdrafts. You can set up alerts and notifications to inform you when a transaction is made or when your balance is low. Additionally, you can use the mobile app to monitor your account activity and stay on top of your finances. To ensure the security of your card, make sure to keep your card number, expiration date, and security code confidential. Avoid using public computers or unsecured networks to access your account, and always log out of your account when finished. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use your green dot card to manage your finances and make purchases with ease. Remember to always monitor your account activity and keep your card information secure to avoid any potential issues.